Two gorillas, same jungle. One has all the bananas. Why? Let me introduce you to two gorillas. They both live in the same jungle. They both work hard collecting bananas. But one gorilla always has plenty of bananas. The other is always running out. The difference isn't luck. It's how they think about bananas. The first gorilla gets a banana and thinks, finally, food. He eats it right away. Every banana he gets, he consumes immediately. When tomorrow comes, he has to start from zero again. He's always working for the next banana. This is banana-to-mouth thinking. Now, you might think, but he's hungry. Of course he should eat. And you're right. When you're hungry, eating makes sense. But here's the trap. If you always eat every banana, you never escape being hungry. You're stuck in survival mode. The second gorilla gets a banana and thinks differently. What if I don't eat this one? Instead of eating it, he plants it in the ground. Yes, he's a little hungry today, but he's thinking about next month. That planted banana becomes a tree. That tree grows more bananas. Now he has 5 bananas instead of 0. He eats 3, plants 2. Next month, he has 2 trees, then 4 trees, then 10 trees. Eventually, this gorilla has an entire banana forest. He doesn't work for bananas anymore. The trees work for him. He eats as many bananas as he wants, and the forest keeps growing. That's rich thinking. In the human jungle, bananas are money. Poor thinking says, spend everything I earn. Rich thinking says, invest some of what I earn. The poor gorilla trades time for bananas forever. The rich gorilla builds banana-producing assets. Now, here's what most gorillas won't tell you. The hard part isn't understanding this. The hard part is being hungry and not eating the banana. When you have very few bananas, planting one feels impossible, and that's why breaking the cycle is so difficult. But here's the good news. You don't need to plant all your bananas. Start with one. Even rich gorillas started with a single planted banana. The first tree is the hardest. After that, it gets easier. And your banana tree doesn't have to be actual bananas. It could be learning a skill, starting a side business, buying something that gains value, anything that gives you more bananas later than it costs today. That's a tree. So, what's the real difference between rich and poor thinking? Poor thinking asks, what can I get today? Rich thinking asks, what will this become tomorrow? One thinks in bananas, the other thinks in banana trees. Same jungle, different vision. The beautiful thing about thinking? You can change it right now. You don't need permission. You don't need more bananas. You just need to plant the first one. Your future gorilla self will thank you. Remember the gorilla rule. Make your bananas work. Subscribe for more banana economics. Stay smart, stay banana.